Hi, this is Dr. Jun Reyes, your New York-based physical therapist. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay paano mababawasan natin ang pain at swelling sa ating mga paa, sa ating knees, sa ating hips, particularly sa legs natin. Kung bago kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe po tayo dito. Subscribe. So madaming dahilan kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng swelling sa ating paa. Pwedeng prolonged standing, prolonged exercising, katulad ko pagka tumatakbo ng matagal, nagkakaroon ako ng mild swelling at prolonged sitting. Pwede ring traumatic injury na spray natin ang ating ankle or ating knee, surgery, ayan. So yung fluid na yan nag-accumulate, and then pagka nakatayo tayo, gravity, nadadala yung fluid sa pinakamababang point ng ating katawan, which is the feet. So ang una nating gagawin ay elevation. So yan ang pinakamadali, pinaka-effective na mabawasan na ang ating swelling sa ating mga paa ay elevation. So itataas lang, make sure meron kayong box or a big pillow above the heart. Ang idea is ang ating lower extremity or ating legs above the heart. So para we're using gravity. So we're using gravity para yung fluid sa ating hita, sa ating mga paa ay above the heart, ay ma-drain all the way to our system dito sa ating body, and eventually iihi natin siya. So yan ang idea. So let's do this for 15 to 20 minutes yung elevation na yan. And then you can add, if you have an injury or acute inflammation, gagamit tayo ng ice. So, yung ice, kunyari dito sa knee, make sure hindi siya direct contact sa skin kasi magkakaroon tayo ng skin burn. So, importante din na combination of ice and elevation, not more than 15 minutes kasi yung ice na yan, wala nang therapeutic benefits kung more than 15 minutes na yung ice natin. So if you have unknown, walang dahilan na bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng swelling dito sa ating legs natin at walang dahilan, please make sure na you see your local doctor. Kasi kung hindi siya dahil sa injury, bigla na lang nangyari, nagkaroon tayo ng swelling, it can be from a bad circulation or it could be from the heart. So make sure talk to your doctor before doing all this exercises or elevation. Okay, so another one, so number one, elevation. Number two is using ice, and number three is compression stockings. So dito meron akong compression stockings. Actually, isa lang muna, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. Ang compression stockings may different pressure siya. So, etong running na ito, it's between 15 to 20 millimeter mercury. So, ibig sabihin yun yung compression force, no? Kung may medical reason kayo o mas malala yung swelling, kailangan talaga ng surgical compression stockings, talk to your doctor, find the right pressure, the right, kung hanggang saan, yan, importante yan. Okay, so that's number 3, using surgical compression stockings. Yung number 4, combination naman siya ng exercises. Kung tatanungin nyo ako, you can use compression stockings and exercise. So you can add ankle pumping exercise. Yan. So ito, pinakamabilis ito eh. So it acts as a natural pump. Just doing this, you can start with 20 repetitions. Okay, again, pag nabawasan yung swelling, mababawasan na rin ang pain natin. Yan. So you can start with 10 repetitions lang kung kaya nyo. But this one, it acts as a natural pump. So yung pump na yan, dadalhin yung fluid all the way to our body and to our system. Yan, tapos ma-dispose na natin yan. Okay, so you can do 3 sets of 10, 3 sets of 15, very easy exercise. So again, a leg elevation, slow ankle pumping exercises. So number 5 is straight leg raising. Ayan. So we don't need this. So ang straight leg raising, I like this because there's an elevation, leg elevation. So you can, I like yung nakataas, yung isang paa, just like this. If you have low back pain, it actually stabilizes your back. And then you can lift your leg up and make sure you tighten your quadriceps, ha? And then toes up. And ang range of motion niya hanggang dito, I would recommend hanggang dito lang sa kabilang legs natin. So equal to the other leg. So you can do this again 3 sets of 10, or if you can just do 10 repetitions and you do it fast, you make sure you do it slowly, okay? Slower. All right, so down and then up. And if you can only do 10 repetitions, do 10 repetitions. All right, and you can hold it for maybe 1 second and then back, and you alternate. You can use number 6. Number 6, you can use a long rope, or you can use a dog leash, or you can use a long towel. Sa akin, gagamitin ko itong belt na ito. Alright, so you can just put it in your foot and then just stretch it. Again, you can bend the other leg and then just stretch it and make sure you hold it for 30 seconds. Alright, so you don't need to bend your knee because it beats the purpose of stretching. So make sure your knee is extended. So if you can only go this way, you can go higher, but make sure you maintain that knee extension. Hold it for 30 seconds and you do it for 3 repetitions. Yeah. Okay, and lastly, number 7, we can do hip flexion. 10 repetitions, hip flexion. Again, 10 repetitions. Kung bago kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe. Dito, subscribe lang po tayo. And if you can only do 10, that's okay. Alright, there you have it. Yun yung mga 7 ways para mabawasan ang pain at swelling sa ating mga paa, sa ating legs. Kung bago kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe lang po tayo dito. And again, this is Dr. Jun Reyes. And be safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.